Two different people from two different families come together here and they will leave this church becoming one united couple as Riya and Chandrasekhar commit their lives together as husband and wife from now on.
Let me push your hair behind your ears. Do it every day, night of the year. Promise you my heart, it has no fear. Stay with me here.
You know? Hey, stop.
But you belong with me. You'd be in a million songs you'd see. I have all the words you'll ever need.
But what are you looking forward to?
Chandler.
I was calling you, decide if you don't wanna be with me. I'll step. I don't know how long I can pretend.
Chandra's Holy Trinity.
He doesn't get married, right? He gets 3 brides.
The paper keeps slipping off.
I can see the ocean in your eyes. Used to keep my words in plain disguise. There's nothing to hide. Thought I should be waiting for a sign. In the universe has its design. Love is just a word that falls behind. I was calling you, decide if you don't wanna be with me.
Go for it? Competition?
Competition, bro.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Chandar, from the day we first met, our story has been nothing short of magical. Starting with Chelsea stopping your love-o-meter and me patiently waiting for my turn. 5 years later, here we are, finally at par. And I wouldn't have it any other way. You've been such a vital part of my journey, helping me see the best in myself and teaching me to love myself more deeply through your unwavering love. And whatever life throws its challenges on our way, I'll always remember your words, we've got this. I love you more than words can express. Let's go get married.
Love you too.
I, Chandrasekhar, take you, Riya, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, and I'll love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Riya, take you, Chandar, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Let's take a step back. We're finally here. The big day. Kudos to us for putting on a show. The effort, sweat and tears gone into it has been immense. In all honesty, this feels incomplete. So I request to look to your right and look to my right. Here stands amongst us your dada and my mummy. Amazing, wonderful human beings have made all this possible for us to be who we are today. I promise you in front of them that I promise to take you on one big trip in a year, conditions applied. I promise to treat your family and mine with the utmost respect. I promise to make a difference. You've always known that it pains me sometimes how the world functions. And we will try to make it a little better in any way, shape or form. Most importantly and above all, I promise to fight for us. And whoever we are, wherever we are, I promise to fight for us. I love you, Riya Miranda, from this day till the end of days, and thank you for being my wife.
I now pronounce you as husband and wife. Congratulations.
Riya fell in love. But I'm pretty sure not all of you know the story of how we got to know that they're fallen in love. So let me take you back to the day, the fateful day, 7th November 2019. I hope I've got the date right. This fateful day when 8 of us YFs are on a trip in the mountains. We hit a road, which is not really a road, it's a kacha rasta. So we can't really go, there's no maps there anymore. We can't turn back because there's no way to turn back. We can only go forward, and it's not really a made up road. So we're very scared something's gonna happen, right? In that moment, Riya and Chandar say, that's the moment that they decide. They say, hey, listen, we might die, you should know. You know, you should know that there is something happening.
You got me burning bright, shining like a diamond. Now I'm a believer in the power of your touch, and I'm feeling like it's never too much. And I know it sounds funny, but I gotta say, I've never had a woman got me feeling this way. It's how I feel. I know it's for real. Nothing real. It's how you make me
I remember when Riya told me about this boy Chandar.
This boy.
I met him in college and he likes running marathons and runs a book club. And I laughed and I said, I hope opposites attract because Riya is a couch potato who would only read a book for an assignment. And boy, I'm glad that opposites did attract. To Chandar, I see how patient you are with Riya, and that requires a medal in itself. My dad was always the good cop, and he loved us to bits. He always was very proud of his girls and said that I will sit down and have a drink with the boys who have the courage to marry my Guddu and Tuna, and I need to tell them that this parcel has no returns.
You lay me down soft and sweet.
This is a champion of a groom.
I can tell by the look in your eyes.
That is not. It's a full Chandar.
I can tell your secrets hard to keep.
You're seeing it from the wrong.
I'm gonna try.
Yes.
I'm gonna try.
I have seen you guys fall in love, start dating, be giggly around each other, be awkward around each other, and actually just figure out how both of you function, because you are, as much as you have balls of energy, you're also very different people, which I have seen work out in that little room of Ashoka. I couldn't be more proud, more happy and emotional that you guys have made it work. And it may seem all glitzy and glamoury outside, and I know you have worked very hard to make this work for you.
Why do you do Yes.
He will tell that he has a lot of wealth and all, but then he runs away somewhere. So that guy. he goes on a walk. Okay, so that time they stop him and tell, please don't go, please come back and marry my girl.
Where's the finally, guys? Where's the Josh? I'll replace you with them. Subs already.